Away, my gen. It's a brand new day, man, and I'm looking slick as. Okay, the reality of this thing is that as I was reading this book called The Capitalist Nigga yesterday, man, I really felt like a capitalist, guys.
So that was a lie.
The guy really motivated me, man, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to raise a $5 account into 1,000, man, and I'm gonna do that, right? Okay, so I'm gonna try to scalp a $5 account because I know a lot of us guys can actually fund $5, man, and we have to use what we have at disposal, man. We have to use what we have, which is something like $5 account. And so, me, I can't think of maybe getting funded with $2,000, which is something that I do not have at the moment. So let's use what we have today. I'm gonna scalp that $5 account and I'm gonna win. So my gens, right now it's 13 past 2, as you can see, man, and the account has got $8.74, as you can see there. I hope you're seeing clearly, man. Okay, so there's $8.74, and today I received a daily urgent commission of 26 cents. Then I funded $8.48, so that is why the account has got $8.74. I wanted to be clear with you guys, and you really know how we vibe right here on the channel. So I find a setup, I show you the entry and the analysis, then we end up. Okay, let's start, man. Let's start. And right now it's kissing past, man. So I was taking a look at this V50, man, and it's on the M5, and I'm willing to risk $2 here to make something around $4 to $6, right? So I'm just gonna be chilled a little bit, and those are the positions, man. And hey, it's quite moving a little bit harder. Okay, it is what it is, guys. Let me just chill a bit. I'll show you after some time, as usual. Now, my gens, so right now it's 21 past 2, and here's the setup. Right, so as you can see there, it's on plus $4.70, and I've got a small account, so I'm gonna close right here. Hey, the network is too slow, man. That is why it's taking a little bit of time. So now the account is on $13.50, and here are those two trades, man. And as for me, when I'm trading a small account, I always close little small profits as well as little losses, right? This is to make sure that my account grows small and slowly, man. I don't want to lie, guys. This one is for those guys who are patient, bro. It works, but it needs those guys who are really patient, because right now you can actually see that I ended that setup on 13 past 2, right? I'm gonna wait for a very long period of time, right, to maybe to get another only $4 profit. So but it's worth it, guys. I don't want to lie, it's worth it. So right now we are just gonna be chilled and try to find another setup. Okay, so it is what it is. Where my gens. So right now it's 27 past 2. Remember, these are scalp setup, right? And I entered another setup on V150S, right? So this is the setup, and I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'll show you after some time. It is what it is. Okay, my guys, so right now it's 14:38. The only problem is that the market was consolidating on one point, and the account right now is there, so I'm gonna close right here. Okay, so now the account is on $19.40, right? After a long day of navigating the markets, I knew it was time to take a step back. Scalping the market can be intense, but it's so essential to prioritize self-care. So I decided to boil some water, take a refreshing bath, and clear my mindset. A refreshed mindset is crucial for making informed trading decisions, as you will see. Taking breaks and practicing self-care also helps maintain focus and discipline. So, trade wisely and take care of yourself. Away, my gens, now I'm done doing what I was doing, and as you can see there, it's 15:39. And I've been scouting through the markets, man, and I couldn't find any other setup, so I'm gonna be chilled there a little bit. And if I continue to not find anything, I'm gonna relax, bro, and call it quits. I'll leave the account there, man, because like today I'm just gonna withdraw, man, and enjoy the money. Okay, it is what it is, guys. I'll see you maybe in 2 hours time. Okay, my guys, I think today we made 100% profit on the account, and for today I think we're done, man. I've been trying to find some setups, but I can't find nothing. So what I'm gonna do right now to make sure that we wild the time up, I'm gonna be talking about BTMM, man. So there were some of you guys were in the comment section like, yo, bro, how do you trade BTMM, right? And the simplest thing that the way that I learned is the person who taught me always told me that the market moves in fractals, right? Which means that what happens in a smaller time frame is what happens on a bigger time frame. That is why you see when you use BTMM, there will be people who use the H1, the M30, M1, and M5. It just depends on the type of a trader you are. And the second thing that he taught me was something like the 4 types of trades, right, that we enter as BTMM traders, right? So the ideal market maker cycle for BTMM is like this, right? And this, right? Then we have got our peak formation high. So it starts with the peak formation low here, then our level 1 push, then our ID50 here, then level 2 push, drop, level 3, then peak formation, right, with this one being a reset, right? So when you are trading BTMM, you should definitely know that you have got 4 types of trades, right? And what he told me, the person, he said that you should definitely master at least one, right? So you've got a peak formation high, peak formation low, which is the peak formation, then we've got what we call the peak reset, then the safety trade, as well as the ID50, right? So when you have this, so suppose you have noticed your peak formation low right here, this push to level 1 here, the consolidation, this consolidation pulls back to EMA 50, right, which is what we call the ID50, because it happens on the EMA 50, right, this ID50 setup, right? So this safety trade, the second setup, which is the safety trade, right, happens when we have a 5200 cross after an ID50, and it only happens on the M15 time frame. So you should definitely expect the safety trade on the M15. So that is all about the safety trade. Then we've got push here, then push here. So this fourth type of trade called a reset only happens when we are resetting a previously running trend, or something like we are resetting to oppose the trend, right? So what happens, supposedly this is my M15, right? The market moved like this. If my H4 is in an uptrend, right, so this reset just goes like to create a W, then continue to go up with another cycle. I'll definitely talk about that, right? So it resets an already running trend, right? So, and if we on a bigger time frame, we are expecting a reversal, you're just gonna see something like this, then market push down the right to oppose the trend. So this is all about the reset. And considering this, guys, I think the most easiest setup to trade is the ID50, man. And it's easy because it always happens, man. The problem with picks, man, is that sometimes those stop hands, they just go over the budget. When I say over the budget, I mean something that goes way beyond your account size, so that you would definitely blow, right? That is why I hate peak formations. If you see my trades, you definitely see that in most cases I enter resets as well as ID50s. And there's something important that I've always wanted to share with you guys. A safety trade, man, when you are trading currencies, it's easier to notice rather than when you are trading deriv synthetics. That is why a lot of people who trade these synthetics and use BTMM, they always talk about the peak formation, peak resets, and the ID50, and they always exclude the safety trade, because when trading synthetics, man, I don't know what really happens. And when you are trading currencies, you definitely see it most of the times. And today I don't want to focus more on the charts, because I don't want to look at the charts once again, bro. Of course, for today I'm done, bro. And whenever I'm done, I always uninstall MT5, man. I don't know why I always do that, but it's a measure that I implemented for myself to make sure that I don't continuously chase the market, you know, the vibes. And that is all about today, guys. I want to appreciate you guys for 1,600 subscribers. Without you, it could not have been possible. Thank you so much.